Reality has more directions than you can see. You live in 3 dimensions: forward, backward, left, right, up, down. Add time, and you get the 4th dimension. That feels complete, but physics says it's not. According to modern theories, reality may have 10 dimensions. Not metaphorically, not spiritually, mathematically. And if that's true, then everything you experience is happening inside a tiny slice of a much larger reality. A reality with directions you can't see, can't feel, and may never escape. So what exactly is the 10th dimension, and why do physicists believe it could be real? What a dimension really is. A dimension is not a place, it's a direction of movement. In a one-dimensional world, you can only move forward or backward. In 2 dimensions, you add left and right. In 3 dimensions, you add up and down. Each new dimension gives more freedom. Now imagine a being that lives in 2D, a flat world. If you lifted an object above that world, the being wouldn't see how it moved. To them, it would appear and disappear. That's how higher dimensions may look to us, not visible, but influential. Why physics needs extra dimensions? When physicists tried to combine gravity, quantum mechanics, particle physics, the equations broke. For decades, nothing worked, until a radical idea appeared. What if space has extra hidden dimensions? This idea led to string theory. In string theory, particles are not points, they are tiny vibrating strings. And here's the key: these strings only work mathematically in a universe with 10 dimensions. Not 9, not 11, exactly 10. Remove the extra dimensions and the math collapses. Where are the extra dimensions? If extra dimensions exist, why don't we see them? Because they are believed to be extremely small, folded tightly, curled at every point in space. Imagine a tight knot at every location in the universe. You move through it, but only in limited ways, like an ant walking on a rope. From far away, the rope looks one-dimensional. Close up, it has hidden directions. That may be reality. Understanding the 10 dimensions. Simplified. Here's how physicists often explain them. First through third, space. Fourth, time. Now it gets strange. 5th dimension, different timelines with the same physical laws. 6th dimension, universes with different physical constants. 7th dimension, universes with different fundamental forces. 8th dimension, all possible universes with all possible laws. 9th dimension, all possible histories of all universes. 10th dimension, the total structure containing every possible reality. Everything, every universe, every timeline, every law, all contained in one mathematical object. Can we ever detect higher dimensions? So far, no direct evidence, but physicists look for indirect clues, like gravity behaving strangely, energy disappearing in particle collisions, tiny deviations in fundamental forces. If gravity leaks into higher dimensions, it could explain why gravity is so weak compared to other forces. Experiments at particle accelerators continue to search for signs. Nothing confirmed yet, but nothing ruled out. Are we trapped in lower reality? If higher dimensions exist, we may never fully experience them. Our brains evolved for survival, not for understanding reality. But math doesn't care about intuition. Reality doesn't care what feels comfortable. The universe may be far larger than space and time, and we may be living inside a thin shadow of something infinitely deeper. The question isn't, are extra dimensions real? The real question is, how much of reality are we missing? End.